On the infrastructure side, there's been lots of talk and lots of great discussion about the backbone and the network and the traditional system that many of our buildings are looking at are really this traditional siloed. And even though the technology has moved from analog to IP, we're still working in many cases with a traditional network where I've got siloed infrastructure and no interoperability. So that's where most buildings stand, and that's where I think both Byron and Brian had great examples of how did they make that transition from that traditional model to a more converged model. And really, you need, in most cases, you need a driver, an economic driver, that helps move the needle so that you can make the justification to the asset management team that this investment makes sense. And the graph on the right is sort of what we all are looking towards the future, which is a converged network. And in many new buildings, you'll find that this is the way that systems are being designed. From a physical perspective, we're seeing, in most cases, this is a fiber backbone with switches that are distributed throughout the building. In this representation, this is a vertical building, a high rise, but in a shopping center, you would see this a little differently. But the bottom line is we're looking at an infrastructure that has fiber optic cable with managed switches, and I'm sure the folks from Corning are going to have some ideas on that, on the network deployment. But really from the real estate side, what we're looking at is how do I put in an infrastructure, a network that I can leverage for multiple building systems. And the good news is, as technology has evolved, the language of the systems is all migrating to IP. So no longer do I have to support disparate protocols. I can put everything or most everything on an IP-based network, and I'm able to leverage that network for multiple systems using a driver. For example, CCTV was Brian's example, or Byron's example was the BMS. Start with securing that BMS. Many of our clients look at energy metering or monitoring as a key driver. It could be Wi-Fi, or the big one now we're seeing is security cameras. Everyone is looking at security cameras and putting those on the network so they have visibility into their physical security.